Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid, and I'm going to show you a really nice one-bedroom apartment. It is located in Calle Galileo, which is in Argüelles neighborhood. It's one of the best areas to live in Madrid. Argüelles metro station is like a 3-minute walk from here, and let's take a look. It's honestly one of my favorite areas. Lots of stores and bars to eat. And all right, that's the main door of the apartment, and as we get in, we have bathroom on our right. And there we have living room, bedroom, and kitchen over there on the right. We are going to start from the bathroom. All right, we'll take a look around first. Okay, here we have the sink, toilet, shower over here, and washing machine and some shelving. All right, also we have a heating unit next to the sink, which is really cool. All right, now living room, take a look around. Okay, make sure you see everything. All right, so here on this side we have couch over here. I'm actually gonna sit for a second, and this table right here. All right, TV, and that's a chest of drawers. All right, mirror behind the TV, lamp over there, and also that green one, little one, chair, and heating unit under the window. This is an interior view, but it's so bright with these huge windows here. All right, this is the view that you have. Okay, so 3 drawers over there, and on this side we have shelving over there. All right, table where you can eat or just do anything you want. 3 chairs, fridge, and here is where the kitchen area starts with the fridge, of course, some shelving and space for your food, a little microwave, oven. All right, it's actually a microwave, and kitchen over here. All right, from up and down. All right, so sink over there, stove, some shelving here, some pans and pots. All right, let's see, cutlery. All right, and some cabinets for your food. And here you have the plates and glasses and all that. And now let's take a look at the bedroom. All right. And here you have it. All right, it's interior. There you have a heating unit, 2 single beds. All right, nightstand over there, and built-in closet. All right, let's see. It is huge. All right, here you have a rack, drawer clothes, electric heating unit, space to hang your clothes, storage space, and on this other side we have some more. That's my stuff. Some space here, shelving. All right, and this is it. Well, thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid. See you next time. Bye.